Here's how to connect controller on OneState RP. You can connect a controller to OneState RP by going or playing it through PC so that you can go ahead and use the controller. Now to use the controller, go to bluestacks.com or to www.bluestacks.com and you can install the OneState RP from there. Once you install the OneState RP from the BlueStack, you will be able to use it via controller. So go ahead and go to the OneState RP game and then click on the controller options that you can see. And then afterwards, you will be able to see there the options where it says the connect options. Once you see the connect options, go ahead and click on that so that your controller will automatically connected to the OneState RP game. Always remember that this is only allowed when you download the OneState RP from BlueStacks and from PC.